So now we create also spacings for this lobby. Now so right, you can select this and write space number. So we can change exact, we can write this, click on here and then select this. We have uh, we want to edit this space, so select on this space and change name of this space. So change, this is lobby or hotel lobby, so change this into lobby. Then go to this setting, heating and cooling, so select this. So from here you can select lobby, lobby hotel. So all standard are sets because we have also lobby at our basement, sorry, or at ground floor. So we set the standard for this lobby, all these area per person and all these things. That's why we select this lobby again. And now we also create this lobby. So in this way we created all spaces. So now here you see these are our spaces. So if you want to color or color fill legend for spaces, create, then fill, then from color fill click here on color legends and now place here. So select spaces. After that you can select this schema, click on OK and then click here, then edit. So give them by numbers. So from here you can change the colors of all you can write yellow, or we can also write with names, color with names. So for dining hall we write this yellow color. For executive rooms we place this color, set this color. For exercise room, green color, so green, light green, this one. So for lobby you can write this color. For reception, right, set this color. For rooms, set light. So for space, select OK. So here you see floor, at floor 1 this color for spaces is this. Similarly for second you can also place here color fill legends. So here you see these are all colors. So and this is for differentiation. When you click on this on mechanical spaces, then with color you can see the spaces, type of space. Similarly when you click on first floor, you see these are for room, these are executive room, this is lobby. So in this way we can create spaces. Now in next videos we learn how we can create zones.